Today we are here at Pratt Stacks, which is a really cool community in Grant Park by the Providence group. And I am here with Ansley. And Ansley, it's a really exciting time for Pratt Stacks and the Providence group because you guys just won a bunch of awards. So tell me a little bit about it.
Yes, we're very excited. As a company, we won 10 Obie Awards, and out of those, 4 of those were here at Pratt Stacks, including both of our models won an award, which you can obviously see because they're gorgeous, and Pratt Stacks won Community of the Year.
That is so great. Well, congratulations. That's so exciting. And it's no surprise to me that it was Community of the Year because there is so much to this community, starting with the area. So talk about all of the things that there are to do within walking distance of Pratt Stacks.
This location is absolutely incredible because of the convenience to everything. First thing is you have the Beacon right across the street, which you have incredible dining. There's 2 breweries, which Eltswell Brewery just opened this past week. So a lot of exciting stuff over there, plus the Grant Park Farmers Market. I get so excited, is every Sunday from 9 to 1. So there's a ton of different trades over there where you can go get fresh produce and a lot of fun shopping. Also, we are literally right on the Beltline. So that is very convenient as well. You can go to Krog Street Market, Ponce City Market, but just having the convenience of having all the walkability, not to mention grocery stores less than 2 miles, the zoo, Grant Park, everything is walkable and so convenient.
Well, I love this area, and like you said, it's so incredibly convenient. And right now you have one move-in ready home that's really pretty spectacular. So talk to me about this. There's only one because you guys have been so busy.
Yes, these sell very quickly over here again because of the great location and the incredible price point being on the Beltline. But it's our home of the week and it's our Brookhaven floor plan, and it is a must-see. I know everybody hears that, but it is a showstopper. It has a gorgeous 2-story family room with tons of oversized windows. You have so much natural light. It's a very open floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath layout. We have the home of the week that's ready to go, and we also have pre-sales available and ones that are under construction that actually sit right on the Beltline. So we do have something for someone that's looking end of year, Q1, and then we have the one that's ready for immediate close, and the prices start in the high 300s.
Well, Ansley, there really is so much to see at Pratt Stacks. So what is the best way if someone out there wants to check out and find out more?
Sure, you can visit us on the web at theprovidencegroup.com. You can also give us a call at 470-955-0875.
Well, Ansley, thanks so much as always for being here. It's always a pleasure to be with you. And if you are looking for a really cool place in town to live, you definitely want to check out Pratt Stacks by the Providence Group and make space for life.